Education is the key to everything. I was encouraged by my grandfather, Thomas George, whose name was Gasteway, at the age of 5 to pursue a career and an education. So I did a lot of research. I knew that if I wanted to become a chef, I'd actually have to end up in a big hotel. Tried to send me to Prince George, and I said, if we're going to do this, I want to do it right, and I want to go to Vancouver. And they asked me, have you ever been to Vancouver? I said, no. I came down here in April of 1984 and was late the first day because I've never been to the city. I was 5 minutes late and I got locked out of the kitchen. I sat there all day and the chef finally let me in and says, okay, come on in, but never ever be late again. And I never was. I never missed another day, another minute, and I thank him for that. He really set precedence for me on how to do things.
Andrew is deserving of the Lifetime Achievement Award because he's had a lifetime in culinary arts, and he's been a huge supporter and promoter of Indigenous food, Indigenous ingredients, and Indigenous ways of knowledge within the culinary world. So starting back with Expo 86 and working in the Indigenous restaurant. So after that time at Expo 86, he went on to get his Red Seal.
I was the first person with the Indigenous background to receive the Red Seal in professional cooking, which I take great pride in, and I want to thank Vancouver Community College for giving me the tools to do that.
And moving on, he competed in the Culinary Olympics in Germany in 1992, and that is a very tough competition. And the team that he was on did very, very well. And they won a significant amount of gold and silver. It's quite an accomplishment.
The end goal is continuous education. Through a continuous education opens the doors to opportunity. And as we say in the trades, if that opportunity doesn't come along, well, let's build it. And that's what we're doing.
I think a huge contribution was his work on the Professional Cook 1 with Indigenous content. It's a 7-month program where he pulled together a group of instructors and chefs and created this program that integrates Indigenous recipes and food, ways of knowing, knowledge keepers, mentors into the 7-month Professional Cook 1 program. It was really an amazing accomplishment.
So there is opportunity for everybody in this world. We need you. Get ready because we're going to come and get you. We're meant to see the world, experience the world, and bring your culture with you. Truly participate in something that you're gifted with.
And now he's with Skill Trades BC, which funds all of the trades training in BC, and he's the director of Truth and Reconciliation. So he has done a lot over that time, and he has written a couple of cookbooks. He is still a board member of Dan's Legacy. He's participated in Cooking in 2 Worlds, so he's done a lot over that 40 years.
The process of culture on a plate, of having that ability to not only produce that at a site like Expo 86, taking all of my world experience and bringing it home, and the creation of Professional Cook Indigenous content on everything that I've learned and how we can actually participate in the big world. Why I take great pride in that is for such a long time I felt so alone. I now have an opportunity to move forward in life based on who they are and create a path not only for themselves but for everyone else around them. Everybody talks about truth and reconciliation nowadays about the Indigenous people, but it's about everybody. And I'm doing this for everybody, not just our Indigenous people. It's for the betterment of all, and that's how we look at the world.
He's always very happy to throw VCC into that mix about who we are and what we do. So he really typifies that VCC experience of community and training. And he's done both to a very high level. And so whenever he speaks about VCC, he has the respect of the people he's speaking with, that it means something that he speaks so highly about VCC.
At the end of the day, that's what Vancouver Community College has done for me, is open the door to opportunity. And that's probably the biggest thing that I'm really proud of, is I opened a lot of doors, and which kind of affected where I could have gone, but I think I played a bigger role by opening doors.